Website link is given in the description box. Connect your MetaMask wallet. Switch your wallet network.
Click Test Circuit. Click Generate Keys. Click Generate Proof. Click Send Axiom Query. Click Send Query. Click Save Gist. Click Save as New Gist. Sign in your GitHub account.
Click here.
Click here again. Click Generate Keys. Click Generate Proof. Click Send Axiom Query. Click Send Query. Click Save Gist. Click Save as New Gist.